John Lewis, as a retailer, the big trend that we've seen over the past decade is more and more of our business being transacted online by our customers. We're at a point where nearly 40% of our business is online. Symbisa is a great product for us for two main reasons. The first is that the tracker is really fully functioned. It gives us a very live and granular view of where the items that we're tracking. The second thing which is great about it is the integration with Microsoft Excel. The team in head office who look after this area already use Microsoft Excel for their analysing and interpreting of data that's going on within the return supply chain.
The challenge on Lewis had is that they have to take ownership of devices that are going back to returns that may have sensitive data on them. What they are using Symbisa for is to attach the Symbisa device to a cage. And now just by doing that on a spreadsheet, they can now start tracking how that cage is moving through their internal network.
The fact that the Symbisa trackers feed information directly through to the Excel spreadsheet on their desk means it's very easy for them to work live information into the analytics that they're doing.